Good morning, students. Now I want to talk about the basics of engineering mathematics. To deal basics of engineering mathematics, we require roots, algebraic simplifications, derivatives, partial derivatives, and integrals. Now, first I will start about how to find a roots of an equation. So, when you have a quadratic equation, then first you take the product of first and last. 3 fours are 12. Okay. So now write the factors of 12. 1 12 are 12, 2 6 are 12, 3 4 are 12. After writing factors, you have to write the sum or difference is 8. So here possibility for getting 8 is 2 plus 6 is 8. So we write first and last are same, but 8x for writing 2 plus 6. That is first term is as it is and write down 2x plus 6x plus 4 is equal to 0. And now take common. Here x is common for first two terms. 3x plus 2. Here 2 is common for last two terms. Is equivalent to 0. Now 2x, 3x plus 2 is common for both the terms. Then 3x plus 2 equal to 0 or x plus 2 equal to 0 or x plus 2 equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 2 by 3 or minus 2. Okay. And next one is x square minus x plus 6. Here also take the product of first and last. So 1 and 6 is 6. 1 and 6 is 6. And factors of 6 is 1 6 is 6, 2 3 is 6. And then check. We required minus 1. So 1 plus 6 is 7, 1 minus 6 is 5, it is not getting this. And 2 plus 3 is 5, it is not possible. And 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So 2 minus 3 is minus 1. First term is as it is and write down 2x minus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. Here the problem is 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Good. But 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. So it is not worked out. So it is not possible to factorize. Then apply quadratic formula. That is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac whole by 2a. So here a is 1, b is minus 1 and c is 6. So minus 1, here b is minus of minus 1 plus or minus root b square minus 1 whole square is 1 minus 4, a is 1 and c is 6 whole by 2, a is here 1 and then minus of minus plus or minus 1 minus 24 which is root minus 23 by 2 which is equivalent 1 plus or minus root 23 into I. Because whenever we have a negative in the square root, that indicates as a complex number. So write down root 23 into I. Here we write 1 by 2 plus or minus root 23 into I by 2. So these are the roots. 1 by 2 plus root 23 I by 2 comma 1 by 2 minus root 23 by 2 I is the root. Now go for this. This is x square plus 9 equal to 0. So simply we write x square is equal to minus 9 and this is equivalent x equal to plus or minus root minus 9. This is equivalent plus or minus root 9 is 3. For negative in the square root, we write I. Whenever we observe negative in the square root, we have to put I. So x equal to plus or minus 3i are the roots. Now go for x power 4 plus 16 equal to 0. In this purpose, we use a square plus b square. That means, okay, a square plus b square formula can be written as a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Okay, so the problem is in the form of x square whole square plus 4 square is equal to 0. Now here a is x square and b is 4. So we write above formula a plus b whole square minus 2b, which is can be written as mm, x square plus 4 whole square minus 2ab. A is here x square and b is here 4, which is equivalent to 0. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square, that is 2 4 the 8. So a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b, and also simplify that. This is 8 can be written as 2 root 2 x whole square. Or if you get confused, you just write down root 8 x whole square. So it is a square minus b square format. Now a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. That is x square plus 4 into, sorry, a plus b into a minus b, which is equivalent to 0. So here we have to solve first one and second one, that is x square plus root 8x is root 8x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now apply quadratic formula. So here a is 1, b is equal to root 8 and c is equal to 4. Now apply formula x equal to minus b, here b is root 8, plus or minus root b square, root 8 whole square is 8, minus 4ac, 4 into 1 into 4, 16, all by 2a. Here 2a is 1. It is equivalent minus root 8. 8 minus 16 is minus 8. So root minus 8 can be written as root 8 into I. And then write down root 8 is 4 into 2. That means root 4 is 2 and root 2 is root 2. That is minus 2 root 2 plus or minus 2 root 2 into I whole by 2, which is minus 2 root 2 by 2 is minus root 2, sorry, minus root 2 plus or minus root 2, 2 root 2 by 2, which is root 2 into I. and also solve another one, that is x square minus root 8x plus 4. So here a is 1, b is minus root 8, c is 4. So formulas are same, but here b is minus root 8 and remaining is same. It is minus or minus plus, both are same. So finally we have four roots. One is this, x is equal to gamma so minus root 2 plus or minus root 2i, root 2 plus or minus root 2i. So we have finally four roots. Both are complex. And now we go for this one, that is x cube minus 14x plus 8 equal to 0. So this is a cubic equation. If it is more than 2 degree, then we use synthetic division. So how do you use this? First you check for what value of x satisfies this equation. So after checking, you have to use synthetic division. That is x cube minus 14x plus 8 equal to 0. So by trial and error, x equal to minus 4 is a root. By trial and error or by inspection, x equal to minus 4 is a root. Now use synthetic division. So for synthetic division purpose, you have to take the coefficients. That is, here x cube coefficient is 1 and x square coefficient is option. So you take 0 and x coefficient is minus 14 and constant is 8 and here root is minus 4. After that, you have to take 0. First you take as a 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. Minus 4 into 1 is minus 4. 0 minus 4 is minus 4. Minus 4 into minus 4 plus 16. Minus 14 plus 16, it is 2. Minus 4 into 2, it is minus 8. So finally we have 0. If it is not 0, our inspection root is false. It should be 0. So we have 1 minus 4 2. So that can be written as you decrease 1 degree and then apply this. X square, what we have? X square 1 into x square minus 4 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x square minus 4x plus 2 equal to 0. That is, here also we have to use quadratic formula because it is not possible to factorize. So minus b, here a is 1, b is minus 4, c is 2. Here a is 1, b is minus 4, c is 2. So plus or minus root b square, that is minus 4 whole square, minus 4ac, 4 into 1 into 2, that is 8 whole by 2a. Here a is 1. And then minus of minus plus or minus root 16 minus 8 is root 8 whole by 2. We may simplify that 4 plus or minus root 8 can be written as 2 root 2 by 2. And then 4 by 2 is 2 plus or minus 2 root 2 by 2, which is root 2. So finally we have three roots, that is, one is minus 4 and other one is this. Therefore, the roots are, one is minus 4, comma 2 plus root 2, comma 2 minus root 2. So we have three roots. And now, whenever we have no constant, then immediately you take the common of x. If there is no constant, then you take x as a common. Then x square plus 8x plus 4, which is equivalent to 0. So here x equal to 0 or x square plus 8x equal to 0. So solve quadratic equation of this. This is x equal to minus b plus or minus root b square, that is 8 square minus 4ac, 4 4 the 16 whole by 2a. This is about 64 minus 16, which is 48. Minus 8 plus or minus 48, this is 2. So 48 can be written as 14, 16 into 3. That is, root 16 is 4 and 3 we don't know. Now simplify. Minus 8 by 2 plus or minus 4 root 3 by 2. This is minus 4 plus or minus 2 root 3. So finally, how many roots we have? It is a cubic equation. You have to get three roots. That is, 0 is one root, and the other one is this. X equal to 0, comma, minus 4 plus or minus 2 root 3. Minus 4 plus 2 root 3 and minus 4 minus 2 root 3. So we have three roots over. And this is x cube plus 1. So this is in the form of a cube plus b cube. So we have a formula about a cube plus b cube is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Okay. So here a is x and b is 1. So we write this as x plus 1, okay, and x square minus x plus 1 is equivalent to 0. So x plus 1 equal to 0 is equal to x, I mean x plus 1 equal to 0 or x square minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x plus 1 equal to 0 implies x equal to minus 1. X plus 1 equal to 0. This implies x equal to minus 1. And again solve this quadratic equation. So that is known. You can find by quadratic formula. That is minus b plus or minus, here b is minus 1 root b square minus 1 whole square minus 4 into 1 4 all by 2a. 2 into a is here 1, and observe that minus of minus plus root 3 root minus 3. So we write root 3 into I by 2. So x is equal to 1 by 2 plus or minus root 3 into I by 2. So finally x equal to minus 1 is 1 root, and other roots are 1 by 2 plus or minus root 3 by 2 into I. So finally we have three roots over. Finally, last question for fourth degree. So you have to check for what value of x satisfies this equation. That is the first rule. So here x equal to minus 1 is a root. By inspection, x equal to minus 1 is a root. Now use synthetic division. That is, take the coefficient of x power 4, take the coefficient of x cube, take the coefficient of x square, Take the coefficient of x and constant is 4. And here root is minus 1. And now write 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1. Minus 2 minus 1, minus 3. Minus 1 into minus 3, plus 3, which is 0. Minus 1 into 0, 0. 4 plus 0, 4. Minus 1 into 4, minus 4. 4 minus 4, 0. So our root is right. If the last number is not 0, then our inspection root is wrong. Okay. Then fourth degree reduced into third degree. That is x cube minus 3x square plus 0x plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay. Now here by inspection x equal to minus 1 is a root. So again apply synthetic division. That is, here x cube quotient is 1 and x square quotient is minus 3. Sorry. Here x cube quotient is 1 and x square quotient is minus 3 and x square quotient is 0 and constant is 4. Here our inspection root is minus 1. You have to write 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Minus 3 minus 1 minus 4. Minus 4 into minus 1 plus 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. Minus 1 into 4 minus 4. So last number is 0. So cubic reduced as quadratic. X square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. This can be written as x minus 2 whole square is equal to 0. X is equal to 2 comma 2. So finally we have x equal to minus 1 and the root is x equal to minus 1. So this is one root and this is also another root and remaining roots are 2 comma 2 comma 2. So finally we have 4 roots. Those are minus 1, 2 comma 2. So minus 1 is repeated twice, 2 is repeated twice. Thank you very much.